What's up guys, it's me Adrian here and Gigi. Welcome back to our channel. But before we get started, click the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up. If you can't really hear us, sorry, but I got this new fidget box and I'm gonna show you everything that's in it. Purple, pink, and white. This is a key popper. It's really cool. I buy one.
Oh, I like that one. That's red, white, and blue. That's like the United States flag.
Yeah.
High flying flag.
And flip.
Right?
Then we have this ball spinner. Okay, here it is. Whoa. We have this squishy.
Guys, I'm going to take a break. Avery may keep showing you a few things, but I'm about to make us a chicken quesadilla.
For dinner.
Because Avery...
This is like a spider and a fidget spinner and a fidget all together. Hobbit ball. A ginormous Easter bunny bubble. Well, thanks for watching.
Bye, guys. Still making quesadillas. See you next time.
Get ready. Stand up on your feet. Just dance your life now. And most importantly, have fun. Move on me. But when I'm done, I make you do it all again. Always love our shows. And always have fun. Just love people and be happy. Bye. We love our fans so much. And maybe once we get a little bit more subscribers and views, we might even have a meet and greet. Then find a good day. I'm at Gigi's house. Then I made that.
Had a great dance party tonight, guys.
We love you so much.
We do.
We have a special place for you in our hearts.
We do.
We love all of our fans. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Excited that you have that. Once you get it, we'll see you tomorrow.
Love you guys.